welcome to Artistic Choice. Today we are going to see about healing brush tool. Yeah, it is used to retouch the images which restore an old image to look like a new one and remove pimples and scar on the skins, and it is also used to remove tattoos on the skin. Okay, let's see how the healing brush tool is used. Let's move on to this image. Yeah, this is a tattoo. How you can be remove this? By using a healing brush spot healing tool, which is used to uh, select the nearest area and it will be redoing it. And if it is an healing tool, you want to just hold alt and click the area you needed and then just make a dot on themselves, but it doesn't work on this, so I like to convert it into an patch tool. Yeah, just select this area which you need to be converted, a random one, then move to the area you need to be. Think so, yes. And again I like to choose this area to cover it. Yeah, yes, this is how it's make a perfect. You can change the tool according to its either it's a patch tool or a healing brush tool. You also use a convert tool to make a changes. This is up to your level, and this is how it's look like. Let me take you closer. Yes, this is how I restored them, the old photos into a new one, and the face with pimples will be removed like this, and the tattoos must be removed like this. Yes, hope you like the healing brush tools. Let's see on another video. Bye.